Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the actual files. Open Telegram where the pack lives and get the pack link, or open it on desktop so you can save images. Once done, export each sticker as a web file into a single folder. This gives you control. Make sure they're 512 by 512 pixels and reasonably small, under about 100 KB, because WhatsApp expects consistent dimensions. Otherwise, it will stretch or reject images. Next, prepare a temporary working folder and name files sequentially for clarity. Now you convert and optimize. If stickers are static, convert Web to PNG only if a converter or WhatsApp tool requires it. Animated stickers may need a specific web variant, so follow that format. Use a batch image editor to enforce 512 by 512 pixels and a reduced color palette to lower size. This prevents upload errors. Once converted, rename files without spaces and compress or re-export to keep quality. Finally, transfer a test sticker to your phone to confirm visual integrity before finish by importing into WhatsApp. Install a reputable sticker maker app, create a new pack, and add at least 3 stickers. You'll also set a 96 by 96 px tray icon and a pack name. Once added, press Add to WhatsApp and open WhatsApp to confirm they appear in your stickers panel. If something goes wrong, make sure to clear WhatsApp cache and restart the app. If issues persist, recheck file dimensions and reconvert to strict 512 times 512 or try a different converter. That usually fixes import failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.